AI tools are getting better every day. While most of us use AI tools on our computers, did you know there are amazing Android apps that can make your daily tasks easier and more effective? In this video, I'll show you the best AI Android apps you should try. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech content. 1. Star AI. Turn text prompts into stunning artwork with Star AI, a powerful AI art generator. Its intuitive interface allows you to create personalized digital art using advanced machine learning algorithms. 2. Clio. Manage your finances with Clio, an AI-powered money management app. Clio uses large language models, LLMs, to help you track spending, budget, and save, all through an easy-to-use conversational interface. 3. Lensa AI. For social media lovers, Lensa AI is a must-have. This all-in-one photo editing app uses AI to enhance your images and videos with powerful post-editing tools. 4. SwiftKey Keyboard. Upgrade your typing with SwiftKey Keyboard by Microsoft. This AI-driven keyboard learns your style, making typing faster and smarter while offering emojis, GIFs, and stickers. 5. AI Mindset Chat for Coaching. Boost your personal development with Rocky, an AI-powered mindset coach. This app helps with self-reflection, motivation, and achieving greatness through self-coaching. 6. Nerd AI Tutor and Math Helper. Simplify studying with Nerd AI, a feature-rich tutor app. It helps with problem solving, writing, language learning, and knowledge expansion using cutting-edge AI technology. 7. PhotoRoom AI Photo Editor. Create professional quality photos with PhotoRoom. This app simplifies photo editing, letting you create polished compositions without complex tools. 8. Hippic. Enhance your photos with Hippic, a free AI-powered photo editor. It offers filters, background removal, text overlays, and more to elevate your photography. 9. Wink Video Enhancing Tool. Create and share stunning short videos using Wink. This app offers filters, effects, and editing tools to make your videos stand out on social media. 10. Zemo. Captions and Subtitles. Easily add accurate captions to your videos with Zemo. Perfect for creators and influencers, it requires no prior video editing experience. 11. Lightcut AI Auto Video Editor. Make professional videos with just one tap using Lightcut. This free AI video editor offers templates and effects for creating stylish vlogs and short clips. 12. Relens Camera Focus and DSLR Blur. Transform your phone camera into a DSLR quality device with Relens. This app brings professional-grade focus and blur effects to your mobile photography. 13. Viggle AI. Animate your photos with Viggle AI. Use prompts to make characters or people in your images perform fun, rhythmic dance moves. 14. Ayuda AI. Express your style with Ayuda, a fashion tech app that helps you discover outfits, try on clothes virtually, and get AI stylist feedback to feel confident in your wardrobe choices. 15. Grammarly AI Writing Assistant. Write like a pro with Grammarly. This AI writing assistant enhances your vocabulary, checks spelling, and provides advanced rewrite suggestions to make your writing clear and mistake-free. 16. Answer.ai Your AI Tutor. Take your learning to the next level with Answer.ai, a 24/7 tutor and life coach that helps with problem solving, goal setting, and personalized learning strategies. These AI apps are game changers for productivity, creativity, and everyday tasks. Download your favorites from GitHub or their official websites and experience the power of AI on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and reviews.